2.1. We have already solved question number 1, and I have also given some questions to do in your copy. So today I'll be starting the question number 2. You can see the question number 2 on the screen. So the question 2 is arrange the following in descending order. So the two questions are there. So the first question, as you can see on the board, first question is 2 by 9. Then we have 2 by 3, comma we have 8 by 21. Second question is 1 by 5. Then we have 3 by 7, and we have 7 by 10. So we have two questions. So I'll be solving one by one. First let me solve this one. तो अगर इसको सॉल्व करना है तो सॉल्व कैसे करेंगे? सॉल्व करने के लिए पहले हम लोग को क्या करना होगा, पहले इन तीनों नंबर्स को, ठीक है, तीनों जो फ्रैक्शंस दिया हुआ है, तीनों फ्रैक्शंस को इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट करना होगा. दैट मींस जो नीचे वाला जो डिनोमिनेटर है सबको इक्वल पे लाना होगा, सबका वैल्यू इक्वल होना चाहिए. सिमिलरली यहाँ पे भी तीनों का डिनोमिनेटर का वैल्यू इक्वल होना चाहिए. और क्वेश्चन पे क्या दिया हुआ है? वी हैव टू अरेंज इन डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर. That means from bigger to smaller. So first of all, for making the denominator similar, you take the LCM of 9, 3 and 21. So the LCM of 9, 3 and 21. So we can write as 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3 and 3 7s are 21. So similarly 3 1s are 3. So 1, 7. So this will be 7, 1, 1 and 7. Sorry, this will be 1. So you can see the LCM here. So the LCM here is 3 3s are 9, 9 7s are 63. So you convert all the numbers, that is a lower denominator, into 63. So it is 2 by 9. How to convert a lower number into 63? Since this is 9, so it will be 9 7s are 63. Multiply the lower denominator by 7, and if you are multiplying 7 below, you have to multiply it above also. So 2 into 7. So it will be 14 by 63. Similarly, if I go to the next number, that is 2 by 3. So it will be 2 and 3 into. If you want to convert this number into 63, so this should be 3 into 21. 2 into 21. So it will be 42 by 63. The same way, if I go for the next number, that is 8 by 21. So 8 into, divided by 21 into. So 21 into 3 is 63. So it will be 21 into 3, 8 into 3. So it will be 24 by 63. So we have got the three numbers, 14 by 63, 42 by 63 and 24 by 63. देख सकते हो नीचे वाला जो नंबर है इसमें भी 63 है, इसमें भी 63 है और इसमें भी 63 है. तो अभी हम लोग कंपैरिजन कर सकते हैं. Now according to it, which one is a bigger number here? You can see the numbers. The above number which is having the highest value वही होगा सबसे largest value. तो 14, 42 और 24 obviously ये बड़ा है. तो क्या आएगा पहला वाला number? First number will be 2 by 3, which is bigger. Then the next number is 24 by 63, which is greater than 8 by 21. Next number will be the last one, that is 2 by 9. Clear? So this is how we need to find out which one is a bigger and which one is a smaller. Clear? You can note this in your copy. We go to the next one. Take out the LCM of 5, 7 and 10. So 5 1s are 5, 7, 5 2s are 10. Then it will be 2 1s are 2, 7. Then it will be 1, 7, 1s are 7. So 7 2s are 14 and 14 5s are, it will be 60. So we need to convert these below numbers into 60. I am rubbing this part. So 1 by 5, it will be equal to 1 into 5 into. To convert it into 60, this should be multiplied with 12. So same way above also will be multiplied by 12. So 12 by 60 goes to the next number. 3 7s are, I think we have done mistake. 7 2s are 14. 14 5s are, it will be, sorry, it will be 70, not 60, sorry. This should be converted into 70. LCM is 70, sorry. So if the LCM is 70, so this number should be multiplied with 14. So this will be 14 by 70. The same way, 7 into 10, 3 into 10. So it will be equal to 30 by 70. Goes to the next number, 7 by 10. So it will be 10 into 7, 7 into 7. So it will be 49 by 70. So again you can see that denominator has been changed to 70. That means now we can compare. Which one is a bigger value now? The bigger value is this one, 7 by 10. Next number is this, the next number is this. So here, this, since there is no place, I will be writing it here. So it is 7 by 10. Then greater than, it will be 3 by 7. Then it is greater than 1 by 5. So this is your answer. So please note down this in your copy. Any doubt regarding this, you can ask me on my personal number, or you can give me a message on this comment section also. We are going to the next question. Now you can see the next question on the screen. In a magic square, the sum of the numbers in each row, in each column and along the diagonals is the same. Is this a magic square? So a square is being given the question. So let me show the square. So the square is, this is a square. Horizontally and vertically there are three numbers it is given there. Horizontally, the first number we have 4 by 11. Next number it is 9 by 11, then it is 2 by 11. 9 by 11, 2 by 11. Below we have 3 by 11 and 8 by 11. Then here we have 5 by 11 and 7 by 11. Then next we have 1 by 11 and 6 by 11. So these are the numbers. So these numbers are given. We have to see whether it is a magic square or not. For doing it as a magic square, horizontally it should come the same answer, vertically also same, and the diagonally should also come as same. So we'll try one by one. So we'll be going with the first row. First row, we have to do the sum, okay? We have to do the sum. 4 by 11 plus 9 by 11 plus 2 by 11. So the lower number is 11 because LCM will be 11 only. 4 plus 9 is 13. 13 plus 2 is 15. Goes to the second row. Okay, I'm doing the first this row. Then goes to the second row. 3 by 11 plus 5 by 11 plus 7 by 11. So this will be 3 plus 5, 8. 8 plus 7, 15. Again it will be 15 by 11. Till now it is correct. We go to the third row. It is 8 by 11 plus 1 by 11 plus 6 by 11. So 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 6 is 15. So it is 15 by 11. Third row is finished. Now I will be doing it this way. Okay. So first column. First column is 4 by 11 plus 3 by 11 plus 8 by 11. Again you can see this will be 15 by 11. 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 plus 8 is 15. Goes to the second column. Second column is 9 by 11 plus 5 by 11 plus 1 by 11. Again it is 9 plus 5, 14. 14 plus 1 is 15. So it is 15 by 11. Goes to the third column. Again it is 2 by 11 plus 7 by 11 plus 6 by 11. Again it will be 15 by 11. Okay, till now it is correct. Now we will be checking it diagonally. I will be checking it this way and this way. So for the first diagonal. Okay, the first diagonal is this one. This is the first diagonal. 4 by 11 plus 5 by 11 plus 6 by 11. So first diagonal 4 plus 5 is 9, 9 plus 6 is 15, so it is 15 by 11, correct? We go to the second diagonal. Second diagonal, it is 2 by 11 plus 5 by 11 plus 8 by 11. The lower number will be 11. 2 plus 5 is 7, 7 plus 8 is 15. Now you can see here all the rows and columns that we have done, or the diagonally that we have done, सब का वैल्यू इक्वल है. देखो 15 by 11, 15 by 11, सब का वैल्यू 15 by 11 ही है. That means we can consider this as a magic square. So below this you have to write, so this is a magic square that you have to write. Okay, please note down it from here. So while noting it down, you just pause it, write the values, then you continue with the video. Clear? So this much for today. We'll be continuing exercise 2.1 in the next class. Thank you.